Down. Start. The result of the notification is not far to seek, as the last sentence of the said notification lays bare the intent, purport and object of the respondent state full stop. In other words, seeking shelter under the amending act of 2016, approval was given to the issue scheduled tribes certificate and other facilities to Lohar community full stop. It is the case of the petitioners that this is per se unconstitutional and illegal. Full stop. It occasions breach of Articles 14 and 21 of the Constitution. Full stop. What is more, relying upon the same, proceedings have been initiated against the petitioner under the provisions of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes, Preventions of Atrocities Act, 1989, within bracket hereinafter referred to as the 1989 Act, bracket close, full stop. Petitioner was constrained to seek anticipatory bail, full stop. Petitioner numbers 2 and 4 were unsuccessful, full stop. In fact, they had to undergo custody, and all this is solely on account of the fact that the respondent state has proceeded to pass the impugned notification, which has come as a handle in the hands of persons who are not entitled to the protection under the 1989 Act, to use the enactment against the petitioners, full stop, para. This, in turn, as already noticed, has occasioned grave injustice to the petitioners, including incarceration in jails, full stop. In facts, learned counsel for the petitioners, Mr. S.K. Rai, would point out that there are thousands of FIRs filed in the state of Bihar invoking the impugned notification, resulting in deprivation of the liberty of several persons, full stop. We shall refer to those decisions, and it would suffice for our purposes to reiterate that the petitioners, in these circumstances, we have approached this court pointing out that the circumstances are such that it warranted the petitioners to directly approach this court under Article 32 instead of approaching the High Court, full stop, para. Per contra, Mr. Ranjit Kumar, learned senior counsel assisted by Mr. Ajmat Hayat, full stop, learned counsel appearing for the state of Bihar, would point out that the petitioners should have approached the High Court, full stop. What is at stake, according to the learned senior counsel, is some personal enmity, full stop. It is also pointed out that there is a delay of about 5 years in seeking protection of this court under Article 32 of the Constitution, full stop. He would submit that the petitioners were refused protection under Section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, full stop. Petitioners ought to have worked out their remedies as against those orders, and it does not lie in their mouth to seek protection afforded under Article 32 of the Constitution. In the facts of this case, full stop, para. The founding fathers contemplated that the very right to approach this court when there is a violation of fundamental rights, should be declared as beyond the reach of Parliament, and, therefore, it is as a part of judicial review that the right under Article 32 has been put in place and invoked from time to time, full stop. The right under Article 32 of the Constitution remains a fundamental right, and it is always open to a person complaining of violation of fundamental rights to approach this court, full stop. Over.